Just got a tornado warning in this area. Let's look at the weather really quick. Well, this just says severe thunderstorm warning heading our direction, but it's almost here, so we probably should leave. That's what's heading our direction right now. Really dark clouds. Tornadoes right here. Oh yeah. You see the wall of water that we're about to go through. Oh my God, dude, we are so screwed. Wow. Oh, I can't see anything. We're so screwed. Oh, cover the engine. I can't feel anything. I hope a tornado doesn't come. I can't see it. Oh shit. It's making me nervous. Golly, man.
I think we'll be fine.
For a second there, I was like, uh-oh. Oh, that feels so much better.
Probably that was the wildest experience in their life.